Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Innovation. So we're on our garage repair in historic Macon. Isaiah, Makara, and Lydia getting this put back together. This place was about to fall down when we started, but here's our solution for having it serviceable again. Everything reframed with treated lumber. Rebuilt our beam inside. Again, this is a get it put back together so it's functional, not a cathedral, but it's a good fix. Huge improvement over what was here. I'm going to tear all this out at a later date, re-pour concrete. Mr. Tommy Prince will be taking care of that electrical mess for us. Everything looks sharp through there. Using some 3-inch commercial drip edge. Get the base sheet down now. Got everything prepped out nice. So flint elastic base sheet. Lydia's ready for the second application. Got 2 rolls down now. Getting all the seams tightened up. We've posted some videos of applying the flint elastic system. This is it in action. So that's how we do it. We'll get these overhangs replaced and move into the roof replacement. Give us a call if we can help you out with your exterior projects, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.